Hello everyone. Now in this class we are discussing deleting a node from beginning of the linked list. In previous class we discussed inserting a node at beginning of the linked list and inserting a node at end of the linked list. In the same way, it is also possible to delete an node from the linked list. There are three different ways in which we are able to delete an node from the linked list. Those are, we can delete a node from beginning of the linked list, we can delete a node from end of the linked list, we can delete a node from anywhere in the linked list. These are the three different ways in which we are able to delete a node from the linked list. Now in this class we are discussing deleting a node from beginning of the linked list. Means we are deleting first node of the linked list. This algorithm consists of 6 different steps. Those are step 1 start, step 2 p equal to start, whatever the start pointer contains, that value I am assigning to a variable p, so that I can print that one. The content of p variable means the link of p variable should be assigned to a start pointer. For that I assign start pointer to a p, print data of p. It is step 3, print data of p means whatever the value which contained in a memory location or variable p that I am going to be printing. After that, link of p equal to start, whatever the variable p means variable or node p contains, that link part of that node I am going to be assigning to a start pointer. Free of p, that node I am going to be deleting, is free operation. Step 6, return. Step 6, return. These are the 6 different steps. Using that we are going to be deleting a node from the beginning of the linked list. How we are deleting a node from beginning of the linked list? I am beginning with a start pointer. Whatever start pointer contains, that value I am going to be assigning to a certain variable. I am considering variable p. In that I am storing a value which holds a start pointer, because start pointer contains address of the first node. Start pointer contains address of the first node. So I need to delete that first node. For that I am assigning to a variable. Using that variable I am printing content of that variable, means whatever the value which is held in a particular memory location I am printing. After that, whatever that variable holds address part or a link part value, that once again I am going to be assigning to a start pointer, because I am freeing that node now. For that, whatever the value holds in that link part, that should be assigned to a start pointer, because now once I am going to be deleting that node, the node which is existing to that node is now becoming the first node of that linked list. For that, whatever the link part contains, that p variable, that address should be assigned to a start pointer. Once I assign the address of a link part of a p is assigned to a start pointer, which means that I freed that node from the linked list. Start pointer contains now new address, whatever the address which is held by start pointer, which is the first node of that linked list. That is first node of that linked list. We can easily visualize that concept with help of this diagrammatic representation. In this example, I took 4 nodes. Those are node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, and these node contains element 20, 30, 40, 50. From this node, I want to delete an first node from this linked list. First node from the linked list. What I need to do is I need to take a variable, whatever start pointer contains, that I am assigning to this variable, right? Now I want to print content of this memory address, means I am going to be printing an address or a node, first node or an address where the data element is existing in that node. That is mean I am going to printing 20 Next part, whatever the P variable contains link part, that is I am going to be assigning to a start pointer. Start equal to link of P, that is 215. Now once I am going to be assigning 215 to a start pointer, which means I freed this node from the given linked list. Once I am overwriting the value of the start pointer, which is directly redirecting to its next node. It means I deleted or I dislinked this particular node from the given linked list. Now we are going to see step by step how we are going to be freeing or deleting this particular node from the linked list. See this one? Step 1, start, is the initial condition of a algorithm. Step 2, p equal to start, I am taking a variable p and I am assigning whatever start pointer contains, that value should be assigned to a variable p. Start pointer contains 110, 110 I assign to variable p, variable p. Step 3, print data part of p, data part of p. P is a node. P is a variable which holds address of a node, address of a node. This address of this particular variable p, which holds address of a node, node contains two part, data part, link part. Now what I am performing? I am performing print operation. What I am printing? I am just before going to be deleting that node, I am going to be printing content of that node, content of that node. Print data part of p. Now I am printing data part of p. Data part of p is nothing but I am printing 20. I am printing 20. Next step is start equal to link of p. That very this p which holds address of a node. I already told node contains two part, data part, link part. I print the content of that variable. Now what I am doing? I am assigning link of that link part of that variable should be assigned to a start pointer. Now start, S-E-A-R-T, start equal to link of p. Link of p is 215. Link of p equal to 215, which means that I am overwriting the content of start pointer. That is 215. 215. Always you need to be remember that start pointer contains address of the first node. Start pointer contains address of the first node. Now I overwritten the value of start pointer, which means that now which is dislinked this first node. Which means that which is dislinked the first node. Whatever the start pointer contains, which means that which contains address of the first node. Now start pointer contains 215. 215 is locating its particular positions. Now this start pointer value I overwritten. Once you dislinked this node from the linked list, after that what I need to do is I need to free of p, which means that the whatever the memory which I allocated for this particular node should be freed from this linked list. Should be freed from this linked list. It is how we are deleting the node from beginning of the linked list.